Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif. Today I'm gonna explain my assignment mini project for Basic C and the question 1 for patient. Now, first of all, I'm gonna say that I use user mode, which is include view data and search data. So the view data, the function is used to display all patient record, and it shows name, blood age, sugar, cholesterol, and diagnosis. Blood pressure mean diastolic and systolic. Why use printf with the negative 15? Because the negative is for left alignment and 15 for the capacity of it, and lastly the S for string for the for the capacity. So more example is negative 10 string, which means it have 10 characters space. So that's it. So why do we need string and array? So why do we need it? Because pi.name is a string, because it stores multiple letters like maybe Ali, Arif, or whatever the name is. So a string is array of character. Now, so we must use array. We must use array because name is not a single character. So an array of struct is actually the p and I. So the p can store up to 50 people. So using array makes it possible to store multiple record. That's why we use pi inside the loop. Why for a loop? Because for int I is the first person, and the count I count is for the last people in the record, and then I increment, that is for the next people, and the next people, and the next one is move on until the last one. So without this loop, it only shows only one people. Negative 4d, and the d is for integer, and lastly for string is for word. So it print name alignment, and for the d is print age in 4 space. So that's space, and the slash that I just told you before is 5.0f slash percent negative 4.4f is for the BP, blood pressure, systolic and diastolic. So for that, move to the next function, which is search data. Now, this function allows the user to search for a patient by a name. So when click Arif, it will shows the name. So how do we do this? First of all, if you can see in there, we use scanf. But that scanf is actually a weird format here. This format is actually read a full sentence until a new line, which means we allow space, which is in normal circumstances it will not. So therefore we use this format. So if you, for example, if you use a negative s and then that name, it cannot read, because it cannot read space. So that's why you use this format. So, and why we using compare string copy? Because string cannot be compared using equal, but we must use string copy to check if both name match exactly. And then why we use for integer for loop? Why we use for loop? Because patient record are stored in array. So for example, if name is we use for, because if name is found, then it will print a full details. But if not found, it will print patient not found. And lastly is back. So if you want to go back to the main menu, you just press 3. So that's. Now we move on to the flowchart. So our flowchart, my flowchart is this one. Start at main menu. Start at main menu. So when it start, when we choose 2, it go to the user mode. So this is the user mode. First off, it will display view data and search data. So, and if our first choice is number 1, so it will go to view data, and if our choice is 2, it will go to search data. Or if it's choice 3, then it just reset it to the main menu back. Then this is the view data. So when we we press number 1, it will call view data. We will display name, age, blood pressure, diastolic and systolic, and then sugar and cholesterol and diagnosis. We will do this until each patient has been displayed. That's what for is. Search data. So search data. First of all, it will display search name. So we have to search the name for ourselves, which means if you want to sign for a specific somebody or individual, then we can call his name. Maybe his name is Ahmad, so we're gonna use type in input Ahmad there, and it will read the name, and then compare to every in name in the count. So all of it will uh, all of it will be checked. If the string copy found the same exact name as the one we typed, it so will display patient found, and if not, then it will display patient not found. Yes, that's it. Now we move on to the output of it. So this is my coding. So let's say I'm the user. So when I press 2, wait a minute. So when I press 2, it will say view and search and back, as I say before. So let's say that I want just to view it. Okay, I cannot change it. I just only can view it. It will search the name Ahmad. Yes, there you go. This is it. The output of it. So I cannot change it because it's only view. So let's say I'm gonna do a search of the name. So let's say I'm gonna search Ahmad as before. It will still came out like that because the string copy found the same exact name. So basically that's it. Assalamualaikum and thank you very much.